Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. You saw the title. This is for the starter switches for the ATVs and dirt bikes, like Chinese brand 110s, 125s, or anything that has electric start. So, just want to let you know my current problem. I bought 3 Chinese ATVs. I'll show you real quick. Using this weird new wide angle lens for now. Bought these Chinese ATVs. No idea what the year is, but they're old coolsters or coolster ATVs. Had starter switches. One runs fine. The other two, they run by using a drill start, but they don't run from the starter switches. So automatically assume batteries are dead. Charged them up. Obviously they don't work. So what's on here? Rusted. The connectors are just bad. So order a new one. Plug the new one in, and it doesn't work. I'm like, what the hell? It's brand new. It should work. Here's the thing. Related back to another old problem I had with a previous relay for a turn signal. Bought the same relay, same plug. As you can see here, the wires were in different spots. So I had to move them. It worked then. This is pretty much the same thing with this. Let's go to the old one first. I'm going to show you what to look for, because I'm just looking for the starter switch right now. Anything else, care less. I'll get that later. So looked in here for the starter switch on the bottom. There is the green wire with the yellow stripe, and then there's a yellow wire with a red stripe. And if we see in the placement on the plug here, the yellow with the red stripe is in the top middle, and the green with the yellow stripe is in the middle. Now with this one, it has different colors. Look in here. We see that it's the gray and the pink that are for the starter switch here. Now we're going to go to this plug. The gray is on the top left and the pink is on the bottom left. Not in the same spot. This is the original one, so they're in the wrong spot, obviously. This is the easiest way to fix it. You have to move the wires around. It's very easy, but you also have to be a little careful as well. So I'll show you what to do real quick. I'm going to put my camera down right here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Hello everyone. So you can see the gold tabs in here, the metal tabs. You're going to have to remove these and just pop them out. It's very easy. There's a little metal flange on the end. You have to get a very small screwdriver, toothpick, or a dental pick. Something very small, and you can just pinch it. All you have to do is you pinch the little thing here, and then here you go. You move the wire. Really simple. Now I'm going to remove the other one. I'm just making room so I can put the gray and the pink in one area. So move the other one. We'll find out what these do later. But now we're going to get the gray one out. The gray one right here. I don't know if you can see. It's very tough. Hang on one second. I'll bring it a little closer. You can see in here there's little tabs. I'm going to try and get the little tab out with the gray. Lightly push. There you go. Nope, did not get it, so there we go. Gray is there. And now we're going to get the pink, which is on the bottom. I don't know if you see me still. We get the pink one on the bottom left. Push the tab. Push that out. And the pink is out now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug the pink into the middle one here, or the top one. I think it doesn't matter. The concept of this is, I'm not great with electrics, but I'm going to do my best to explain it. The concept is just bridging the two wires together in order to create the start. So probably won't matter what's positive or negative. Could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. And if I am wrong, you can correct me. I could care less. So we're going to plug the gray one. You literally just plug it in. So have in the middle. No, you have to line it up, but oh, almost got it. There we go. The gray is in the middle now. Now we're going to put the pink one. Top middle. Okay, let's see. There we go. The pink's in the top middle. The other two wires, I'm going to let them go for now. But with these wires, the quad should start now. Or at least get a... Oops, drop the phone. And I'm not editing that because I'm too lazy. So we're going to plug these two in. Did not work before. Let's see how it works. And I'm assuming it should work, but I could be wrong, so Okay, there's the plug there. Alright, this is now plugged in. I'm gonna turn the key on, hold the foot brake. There it goes. Starter turns over. That's all you need to do. It's just rearrange these wires. The Chinese ones do not come complete, so what you gotta do, you gotta rearrange them. But this is a quick video to show what's up. Comes with most Chinese electrics, and if it's easy like this to pull out and pull back in, or just switch them around, do it. It'll save you a lot of time and money and a lot of stress. So, thanks for watching, guys.